Okay, we are going to make the best flautas, como chicos tacos, pero más bueno. Okay? So the first step, when you're going to cook the flautas, you need to cook from the corazón. If you do not cook from the corazón, then you don't cook para nada. And you got to use real tacos, real flautas, real beef. Cuando preparar the beef, pone poquito onion powder, poquito garlic powder, poquito sal, no más, no mucho. And then you fry them real good so you don't get the stomach virus. Okay, muy importante. Cook the meat muy bien, so you don't get la cacas, okay? Bueno, okay, so cuando ya estuvo making all your flautas, set them aside, let the grease drain, and then we're going to get to the next step. Okay, next step, get the right chiles, get the right jalapenos, put them on the grill, put them on whatever, and grill them for a while. Make them muy bien, okay? Muy picosos. Don't get any weak ones, but some good ones, some big ones. Don't be cochinos, cabrones. Okay, so we got the chiles. Yeah, quemando, pero don't burn them too much because they won't be no goods. Now for the tomatillos, the same thing. Put them on the grill, and just enough. To me, I put about 5 or 6 tomatillos. Depends on the size. You know, you make sure they're not so fresh. Because, you know, como chicos tacos, it's never fresh. You don't want it too fresh because it's no bueno, okay? Pero not moldy or anything. So you don't want to get the cacas también, okay? No quiere the cacas. No quiere agarrar la caca. Okay? So whatever you like, put 5, 6, whatever. Whatever makes you happy, okay? Alright, now you got them más quemando, muy bien, like that. Once you get them done, rinse them out, take off all the black stuff. Okay? That's all you gotta do. Okay, now you put the water in the pot. 1.5 gallon or whatever, okay? So put the water in the pot, whatever makes you happy, cabrón. Whatever makes you happy. Okay, at this point, you want to go ahead and throw the tomatoes inside, okay? Then you want to go ahead and put about a spoonful or 2 of chicken bouillon, spoonful or 2 of tomatillo bouillon, poco sal, poco onion powders, and little bit garlic powders, not too much. Make sure you let it boil the tomatoes inside very good so they get a little soft. Once they get a little soft, then that's when you want to go ahead and take them out, and then you want to go ahead and put them in the blender. But first, you're going to go ahead and put the jalapenos, and you're going to put a little sauce in the jalapenos and blend it. When you blend these jalapenos, you can put the seeds in there. I put some, I don't put too much, porque I don't want to get the diverticulitis and it hurts my stomach, okay? And with the tomatillos, make sure you put those in the blender once they're nice and soft from boiling them in the water for a bit. Blend them up real nicely. Put a little agua in there from the soup, and let it boil and blend real quick there. Let it blend till it mashes everything up very nicely, and good. In your soup, also be sure to put 2 cans of tomato sauce, okay? Once you get to that point, throw it back in there and let it boil real good. And throw it with the jalapenos that's already blended. Throw it in there real good, let it boil. Let it all mix in real nicely so everything's nice and falling apart. Next thing is get to the fries. You want to use good fries. You want to God dang it, son of a bitch. Okay, let me get it straight. Make sure you fry them good, okay? Fry them good. Get the right fries. You want to make it good to make it authentic. And make sure you try to drain the grease real good so you don't get la cagas or stomach pains, okay? You don't want to go to the hospital because you ate too much flautas, okay? It's happened to me before and it's no fun. And they had to pull things out that I didn't want out and it was no fun. Once you got the fries done, then you go ahead and mix it all together. Put the flautas, put the sauce, put your right queso, put the right queso, then put your french fries on top. Make sure you have a nice soda también con it that makes it taste real good. And this should be very good. It should taste better than chicken tacos. So a quick recap, just remember when you make your flautas, use real beef, little onion powder, little garlic powder, little salt, don't over spice. Then your water, put in your chicken bouillon, put in your tomato bouillon, about 2 spoonfuls each. Don't overdo it, depending on how salty you want it. And then you put a little salt también, and then a little onion powder, a little garlic powder. Don't make it too garlicky because then it's not gonna taste too good. And once you get to that, you just go ahead and throw 2 cans of tomato sauce in there, and that'll give it the little extra flavor, tomatillo. And once you do all that, just remember you blend up the tomatoes, the jalapenos, you mix it all in there very nicely. And those tomatoes, don't forget, boil them real nicely after you grill them and peel them. And then it should all come out very nicely, and you'll be very happy, and you'll keep your family happy, your esposo, esposa, whatever you got, whatever. I don't care. I don't discriminate. Whatever, boyfriend, girlfriends, or whatever you is, transgenders, I don't care. But it'll taste very good, and that's the basics to it. And if I left something out, too bad.